Nothing beats homemade, so stop buying expensive liqueurs and start building your own cupboard filled with seasonal flavors. Like this simple orange liqueur à la Cointreau. Let me show you how to make your own so you can whip up margs whenever you have people over. Hey guys, Simple Bartender here. Today I will show you how to make your own Cointreau style orange liqueur at home. The best beat? This method is so simple, you don't need any fancy gear. This is super easy. Here's what you need to do. Firstly, clean and sterilize your jar. Scrub the oranges to get rid of any pesticides and wax. The quality and cleanliness of your oranges are very important, as the alcohol will pour everything out from the skin into your infusion. Wash and scrub them properly. Thread your cooking twine through your oranges or place them in a hop sock. If you would like a little bit deeper flavor, you can add dried bitter orange peels or cloves by piercing them into the orange skin. This time I went with Spanish bitter orange skins. Next, fill the jar with high-proof spirit like Everclear. You can use vodka, but you will need to leave this to extract for 1 month versus 1 week with Everclear. Hang the oranges above the spirit by closing lid on the twine or hop sock. They must not touch the alcohol once inside the jar. Hanging the oranges above the alcohol results in vapor extracting the citrus oils, aromas and flavors, infusing the liquid with the concentrated orange essence without any bitterness. This acts similar to cold distillation. Once it's sealed, pull it on the side and let time do its thing. After your infusion is ready, remove the oranges. Dissolve the sugar in boiling water to make sugar syrup and leave to cool down. Add the syrup to your oranges infused alcohol. Let it rest in a dark place for at least 2 more weeks. The longer it rests, the better. This helps with flavor settling down and round up. There you go. Now you can boast your own homemade orange liqueur with your family and friends. Zip it for dessert, add it to your margs, or make a crepe suzette for a boozy, showy dessert. Subscribe for more recipes like this. Na zdrowie!